So here is a question from Indian history relating to the Rakmabai case. So let us assume for a second that we do not know anything about Rakmabai case. But what we know is cases in general tend to deal with specific subjects rather than very broad matters. So here if you see, option 1 pertains to education and options 2 and 3, option 2 being about age of consent and option 3 being about conjugal rights, they pertain to marriage. So one is about education, 2 and 3 pertain to marriage. So this Rakmabai case should have either dealt with education or it should have dealt with marriage. So 1 cannot coexist with 2 or 3. So if you look at it this way, logically you will be able to arrive at the option B where it is only pertaining to marriage and not pertaining to education. So here is another example of a question where you can make an informed guess by applying common sense and logic.